Hi there, and welcome to at Tony's Garage. Today I will present an Italian exotic that I got from a great Italian website for model cars, carmodel.com. So this is the 2017 Pagani Huayra BC Roadster, made by BBR, on a 1/43 scale. My model car is the number 46, from a 200 models limited edition. Looking closely at this model car, I have only admiration. The level of detail is, as BBR already used us, very high. I really like all those carbon fiber parts and this very detailed interior. At the end of the clip, I will post some more detailed photos, so you can see all its details. Also, if you want to see the extended review of this model car, please check my second channel, Model Cars, Beer, and Words, with Tony, for the full clip. Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.